All right, so this warm-up here was your Desmos activity. And if we're in vertex form, then our vertex is going to be these two numbers. So my vertex is going to be the HK, and the axis of symmetry is x equals h. If I'm in standard form or root form, then we've talked about this in class. We have other ways of figuring out our axis of symmetry and our x-coordinate of the vertex. So if you've completed this, then we would know just by looking at it, here A is 1, B is -3. Our x-coordinate of the vertex is going to be -3/2. Our axis of symmetry is that x-coordinate of the vertex. -1, 2. Now I'm going to get +1, and x equals +1. Now I have an A is 2, my B is -3. I'm going to get +3/4. X is +3/4. Now I'm going to have -2, 2, and I'm going to get +1/2. +1/2. So all of these numbers end up being, ooh, this one should be positive. All of these numbers end up being the opposite of this value over 2 times the A value. So I can use x equals -b/2a to find the x-coordinate of the vertex, and this is also the axis of symmetry. So if I'm in standard form, that's what I'm going to use. Now if I'm in root form, here my roots would be 1 and -3. My x-coordinate of the vertex is going to be the average of these two numbers. 1 plus -3 divided by 2 is -1. Here my roots are -2 and +3. -2 plus 3 divided by 2 is going to give me 1/2. So notice if I write x equals, I have an equation, and that's my vertical line, my axis of symmetry, and this value is the x-coordinate of the vertex. So I would take that and plug it in to get the y. So if I'm in root form, then I figure out the two roots and find the average of them. So -1 plus -4/2 is -2.5. So I average the roots. And we'll look at some examples of using this in the next video.